Here I have UleFone Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to change image quality in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and basically in camera on this device you have only two different image qualities. You have like the normal quality in just normal photo mode, and the other one you have is Ultra HD. To get it, you have to firstly go to More section, select Ultra HD here, and now you can take photos in Ultra HD quality. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.